Hello and welcome back. Today we will look at the Python split string method. So by definition, the split method splits a string into a list. You can specify the separator. Default separator is any white space. Now this is how the syntax looks like. As we can see, we have two optional parameters. The first optional parameter is a separator, or in other words, the delimiter, and the string splits at this specified separator. By default, any white space is a separator. The other optional parameter is a max split, which specifies how many splits to do. And by default, this value is -1, meaning that we'll do as many splits as possible. Now, the method will return a list of words in a string using separator as the delimiter string. If max split is given, at most max splits are done. If separator is not specified or is none, any white space string is a separator and empty strings are removed from the list. Okay, so let's look at some examples. The first example, we have not specified any optional parameters, and if you run this, we can see that the method has created the list, splitting the string at all white spaces. Now in the second example, we have more complicated string containing multiple white spaces. And if you run this, we can see that the method has split the string also at the regular white spaces, but also at the tabs, but also at the new line characters. Now in this third example, we are going to use a different separator, and as we specify the separator as comma. And if you run this, we can see that we can also um, split strings which are separated by a comma. Now in this fourth example, we have a string um, which contains uh, hashes, and we specified the max split character. And if you run this, we can see that the method will start searching for this split character from the left. And since we specify the max split at 1, it will end the search at the first occurrence that is found, which is right after the apple, and will return the string containing the first token and the rest of the string. Now in this fifth example, um, I wanted to show you that if there is no token found, if there is no character found, the method will still return a string containing this single term. Now, in this last example, this is a common use case where we have a string and we want to split it at a comma, let's say, and then we want to do something with the individual tokens. So we can do it like this. And in this last case, since we specify the max split at 2, um, the two splits have been done, starting the search from the left, and then the rest of the string has been returned as a whole. Yeah, so this is the split method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.